Here we are on the south bank, the Oxo Tower, with a shaky table which is sending the background all over the place. Here's the Alpha 77. I think you can just listen to this on 12 frames a second. I'm going to bring it right up to the screen, the microphone. There's no card in that. It's quite amazing really, the sound. It's very quiet even on single frame advance. If I turn it under shutter priority at 125th, then that's just a lovely sound. I'm going to see if I can alter some of the settings. Now what I've done is to turn the front cursor of the shutter off instead of on. I'm going to turn it back to 12 frames a second. There we go. No big difference, so it clearly uses that setting when you're on 12 frames a second anyway. And now back onto 125th, this time with no first shutter curtain. Well, that's what I thought anyway, because I just turned the front curtain shutter off. I've now turned it on again. I'm not sure which is which. It's a pre-production camera. Here's my Alpha 55. Turn on at 10 frames a second, waste some card space with this. It's quite a substantial difference. The 77 feels very much more solid and smooth in the sound to the ear. I don't know what it sounds like when recorded on the Mac with the sound of all the Thames traffic and London construction going on in the background.